Okay guys, well I'm down here now into the apiary, the allotment apiary. Put a new queen in this one the other day with the tabs on. It's been about 36 hours, but we also get them a frame of brood, cat brood mainly, but possible there could have been a couple of eggs in there, so I want to have a look at that frame, make sure we haven't started to make a queen before we release the tab on the queen we have put in, and to make sure the queen is alright. There's hardly any, not that I expected anything. I've ordered 6 more queen excluders, so hopefully I'll come soon. Just going to take one out first. Get my hive tool, take the dummy board out. It's having a bit of calming down. I'm going to give them a frame of bees, mainly cat brood, but lots of nectar coming in here still. But this was a drone laying queen. No queen found. Just going to double check that. There definitely isn't a queen on here. I'm making some pretend cells. These cups, there's nothing in them. Well, there's a bit of jelly in there, but not a lot. Just make sure the queen's okay. Yeah, the queen's still in there, she's okay. Just put her down there in a minute in the shade. This is a frame of worker I gave them. It's hatching out, they've put no eggs in there. Sorry, they've not started to build any cells. There's a cup there, but nothing special. But shut them off anyway. As you can see, all that's about to emerge. No cells been done on there. So it's happy days. Nothing spectacular. Pretend cell there. Nothing in it. Definitely no queen in there anyway. No eggs anywhere. Just this old drone brood. Plenty of pollen in here. they're bringing the pollen in. Can't see anything that's going to cause us a problem, to be honest. These are empty, waiting for the queen. In fact, I'm going to move these into the centre so the queen will be put in between them. Empty frames. Bit of honey. Still got some bees in there, which is good. We've got them emerging soon. Okay, let's see if we can shift some nectar over there. Put these frames back in. Now we need to take off the tab in order to release the queen. Two little tabs down the bottom. Quite stiff, these tabs. I've got two on, so that's a benefit, I think, because sometimes workers can get caught or die and they get trapped. But that queen's well happy. She don't like being in the sun, so let's get her out of it. Okay. So I'm looking around. We've got a swarm moving in, but I ain't got a clue where that's coming from. So it's not from my bees. My bees are all okay here, but there's definitely a swarm here. I've not got a clue where that swarm's from. It's coming over here somewhere. Okay guys, these have definitely not come from any of my hives. They're coming over here. In fact, they look as if they're coming from that way. Let's see where they end up. That's bizarre. And as I said, all my hives are perfectly okay. I wonder where they're going. Or where they've come from even. See them all? That's where I think they're coming from. I think they're coming from over there. No. Where that swarm has come from is anyone's guess. They're going over there. And they're certainly not from my bees. That was a bonus footage. I wonder where they come from. All my hives here doing fine. Very strange. Very strange. Okay guys, this was a queen introduction video with an added fly past or fly by a swarm. Amazing. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave them now for 7 days. This was a drone laying colony, no queen in there, hopelessly queenless. I gave them some brood, cat brood, when I put the queen in with the tab still on. As you've seen, 36 hours later I've released the tabs, so the queen should be able to get out now. The workers will eat her out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya.